Okay, so now we're going to do example 2, 12 times 2 1/6. So the first step is to convert your mixed number to an improper fraction. So in order to do that, we're going to multiply 2 times 6, and we're going to add this 1 to it. We're going to get 13, and my denominator stays the same. Also, I'm going to put 12 is going to be over 1, because that's how you write a whole number as a fraction. So now I can multiply across. Okay, so 12 times 13 is 156. So now I have an improper fraction, so I'm going to divide these two numbers to get my new whole number. So the answer is 26.